Now that you've started to get a clearer understanding of the aspects and subtopics related to your chosen research topic from your searches of the Purdue Library's catalog, you may want to narrow the scope of your queries to focus on smaller, more subject-specific collections of materials that will help you directly focus on your topic. This video will provide a brief introduction to how to choose a relevant database to search for sources related to your research topic. The Purdue Libraries provides access to many different kinds of materials, such as books, articles, data, and more that you can bring together to make an argument and use in your research. While it may help you develop a broad understanding of your selected topic by searching library's entire collection, you may eventually want to modify your searches and the resources you look to as you get deeper into the research process. As you continue to learn more about a topic, you may want to apply your search queries to databases or organized collections of articles, data, books, and more that are often subject-oriented. Modifying your research strategy in this way can help you tune your attention towards the sources that provide more details about your topic and will help you continue to advance your understanding of it. But how do you know which database to search? The Purdue Library's catalog provides a useful way for you to find and begin searching these subject-specific databases. From the library's main webpage at lib.purdue.edu, you can select Databases. This brings you to an alphabetical list of databases you can search within for your research topic. This is where the filter feature comes in handy. The filter feature allows you to remove all irrelevant databases and get closer to a database that is better aligned with your research topic or discipline. You can do this in several ways. The most efficient and effective way is to select a subject from the All Subjects drop-down menu. For information about Frankenstein, you may want to select Arts and Humanities. From here, you can see that you have many available databases to search. You can begin scrolling through the list of databases, or you can further refine your scope by specifying what kind of database you want to use. But it is important to note that a research topic may involve different disciplines or areas of research. The broad research topic of Frankenstein in science may also have relevant sources housed in science databases. Consider the different subjects that are involved in your topic and explore which databases you may need to look to address these different subjects. If you are early in the research process, you may want to explore reference databases to help you orient to your topic and to locate additional citations that you can explore on the topic. Other options for database type include statistics and data, ebooks, and images. Once you select an option from the Type drop-down menu, you now have a smaller number of reference databases specific to the arts and humanities to choose from. Each list of database results includes the contact information of the librarian who can help with your research. You can reach out to them at any point in the research process for help. The librarians have conveniently identified the best bet databases, which are likely going to help you find the information you need on any research topic. Toward the bottom of each page is a list of library research guides that can also help you find commonly used databases for a particular discipline. In addition to the filter feature, you can also reference these guides to help you select a few databases to begin searching. To begin exploring a database, click on the title of the database and begin searching. Nearly all databases will allow for keyword searches using either a simple or advanced search option. Many databases offer suggestions of keywords to employ as you search for a given topic. You can also make use of filters, which will help you reduce the number of results from a query based on different criteria, such as date range, whether something has been through the peer review process, the material type, language, and more. For more information on how to search for materials on a research topic, see the video Searching for Materials at the Purdue Libraries. This short video introduced strategies for selecting a relevant database for a research need. You can use the library's filter feature to narrow in on a subject and type of database, or you can look to library research guides for suggestions of common databases within a discipline. For additional help selecting or using a database for a research project, please visit the Purdue Library's Ask a Librarian page at www.lib.purdue.edu/help/askalib.